Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AI with Hari. In this video, you are going to learn about restore command. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Get restore, actually we can move the file from staging area to the working directory or from working directory to staging area. For example, if we have moved a file to a staging area, we can revert or we can restore back to working directory. Now let us see the practical implementation. I'll navigate to D drive, Git, and inside that Git RR, and I'll open my terminal. Now I'll make use of Git init, which should create an empty Git repository. Now using echo command, I will create 2.txt file. And now to move the file from working directory to staging area, we'll make use of git add command. So initially, we will check the git status, actually which is clean. We have not made the commit. Let's make a commit. This should be my fourth commit, I guess. Yeah, the git commit has been successfully completed. Now I'll make use of git status again, and it's on the branch master and nothing to commit. Now I'll make use of ls command to display my directory. I'll modify the 2.txt file by making use of echo command, and I'll add the content 3 to the file 2.txt. And I'll now make use of git status, and it shows that file has been modified. Now I'll move the file to the staging area using git add command, and if I execute the git status again, you can see that it's on the branch master and the file has been modified. The color has been changed from a red color to the green color, which indicates that the file has been moved from working directory to staging area. Now I'll make use of git restore -- staged and the file name, that is 2.txt, and execute it. I think I have made a mistake by adding 2 G's over there. So the spelling would be staged. Now if I execute the command, you can see that command has been executed successfully. Now again, if I make use of git status command, you can see that the file has been moved back to the tracked area, means the file has been moved to the working directory, and you can see that change of color from green to red. To again restore back to the staging area, we can make use of git restore and the file name 2.txt. And if we make use of git status again, it shows that nothing to commit and the working tree is clean. Means that with the file which we have modified has been removed. You can verify it by going back to this. We can verify it by going back to our directory, that is to git RR folder, and if you see the 2.txt file, you can see the content only 2 has been saved, which shows the file has been modified or restored back to its previous content successfully. That's it for the video. Today we have learned about the git restore. Hope this video was informative. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Have a happy day.